What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. All right, wanted to do a daily update. Actually, this morning I scheduled another video. I thought was more interesting, but after the bullish momentum that we got this morning, some cryptos are performing better than others. All right, and Fetch is actually getting a pretty decent bounce right here off of 1.05. Which was in general most likely. I mean, we talked about this yesterday, that we rejected quite heavily from the level we had to break above at 2.26.5 cents. Rejected yesterday afternoon, also dropped down below 1.18. So what we said is that, all right, well, if we also give up that level, it's most likely will drop down into the 1.1 and $1 support level again, which is what we did. Now, hopefully, if we talk about the market structure, this turns into a bit of a double top. And that is possible. But again, we need to get that bullish breakout. All right, because what we saw is that I already told you earlier that I do think that AI coins can do quite well. And if you look at the total 3 right here, like if the altcoin market can break back above $275 billion here, we can actually have a pretty phenomenal altcoin rally. All right, so this is all possible. It's just not the case right now. The altcoin market has not broken out, and Fetch hasn't broken out either. And then apart from that, one of the key reasons why we are even getting this bullish momentum is, of course, Bitcoin, which opened, which opened relatively well earlier today, of course. Got a bullish breakout above 56,800, but Bitcoin is also not there yet. All right, we're getting some bullish momentum, but we need to break above 58,400 to keep up that momentum. And that's going to be tough. And Monday into Tuesday is very, very volatile. So when we get back to Fetch, then yes, what I would say is that, all right, well, we got a nice bounce. We have the potential to turn this into a double bottom, which is super bullish, right? That's a reversal. If you look at that, if you look at that this way, or that way, excuse me, then we can rally up to 1.5, 1.65 easily, if this is a double bottom. But we don't have that confirmation yet. All right, so that's what we're waiting for. And honestly, I've told you this countless times, but for Fetch to really rally, historically, we always needed some sort of momentum. And at this point of time, I don't see that momentum yet. All right, you can see the open interest is still in a massive downtrend right here. Still much more positions are being closed. Now, earlier this night, we actually saw positions being closed with a positive CVD, so short positions being closed. That's decent, all right, that's a good start. But no, for now, it's just dependent on the markets. I don't think Fetch on its own has enough momentum to do this. All right, so it looks most likely that will stabilize, because I do think that the market will be stable as well. But to really, like for example, right now, I would say this is the most likely scenario. All right, that will consolidate up here. But what we want to see, of course, is that we actually do break above 1.26.5 cents on the 4-hour time frame. That we get that breakout and that we can rally, with the first price target being 1.36 into 1.4. And to get this, we would need one of two things. All right, I don't think we need both. Getting both would be better, but I don't think we need both. We either need Fetch to gain momentum finally, all right, so for the open interest to bottom out, round out, and to start to move up. That would be enough, because then we have momentum, then we can break out regardless of what Bitcoin does. Or we need to see Bitcoin continue this by breaking above 58,400 and rallying up higher towards 60,500, 61,000 maybe. Then Fetch can break out as well, because then it will just follow the market, and the market would be bullish. So that's what you need to know. All right, for now, I think it's most likely we won't break out and we'll just consolidate up here. But if certain things change, if the circumstances change, then you'll betcha that I'll long some Fetch. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.